Well, hello everyone, it's me, Handy Danny, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix a door that's ghosting. There's nothing worse than a door that's just constantly hitting you in the butt every time you try to go into a closet, a room, and the door is closing by itself. As you can see here, that when I take the door, and I kind of swung it actually, as I take the door, you can see the door is moving on its own, and that door right there is considered ghosting. And like, that's the worst. Like, I hate that. That is so annoying. Every door in America should, honestly, wherever you set it, it should stay there and it shouldn't move. As you can see, it's not ghosting from this point, but it's ghosting from this point right here. And remember to subscribe, make sure you like this video. And I also have a membership that I would like for you guys to kind of jump into. It gives you all kind of different exclusive stuff. It has members only. There's 3 different tiers. Check it out. Let me know if you plan on joining the membership down below in the comments, okay? So let's fix this door, okay? So when it comes to this door here, what's really happening is the shims here, the trim, what's happening here is the hinges are set properly. However, it doesn't make the door square anymore. So what I'm gonna do is, just from doing doors so often, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take this end right here and I'm gonna pump it up. And what I'm using here is an AirShim. I only need one for this project, but this guy right here is pretty good for leveling doors, windows. You can also, once upon a time, we used this to actually wedge open a car door when somebody locked their keys in the car and was able to get into the car, okay? So, as you can see here, that I have my hinge kicked out a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to sit this guy back a little bit, and I'm gonna kind of hit a new hole. Okay, I just released my shim, took my shim out there, and as you can see, the door is not moving at all. I take it here, and I set the door, and you can see it's not moving. Real quick, real simple, real easy solution when it comes to fixing a door. Remember, I have a membership. I have, my subscription, which is here, which is free. Be sure to subscribe, make sure you like the video, and check out my subscriptions to where you can get exclusive stuff for extremely cheap. And when it comes to just basic stuff every single day, how to take care of your home. And then I will also be doing some exclusive interviews with some wholesalers to where I'm going to tour the warehouse. I'm going to talk to the people. You can see how much you can get stuff cheaper from them versus Home Depot. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.